Spend all your time waiting for that second chance, for a break that will make it okay. There's always some reason to feel not good enough, and it's hard at the end of the day. I need some distraction, memories seep from my veins. Let me be empty, weightless, and maybe I'll find some peace tonight in the arms of the angel. Fly from this dark, cold hotel room, and the airlessness that you fear. You are born from the wreckage of your silent reverie. You're in the some comfort here. So tired, straight line, oh, and everywhere you turn, there's vultures and thieves at your back. The storm keeps on twisting. Keep on building the lies that you make up for all that you lack. It don't make no difference. Escaping one last time, it's easier to believe in this sweet madness. This glorious sadness that brings me to my knees in the arms of the angel. Fly away from here, from this dark, cold hotel room, and the airlessness that you fear. Oh, you are born from the wreckage of your silent reverie. You're in the arms of the angel. May you find some comfort here. You're in the arms of your angel. May you find some comfort.
Thank you so much.